Let's make money with an AI-based side hustle. I just made this AI avatar video of myself. Let's watch a little bit. Quick question. What would an extra $500 per day do for your life? Pay off that credit card, take a nice vacation, quit the job you hate, buy something special for your family. Here's the thing. You already have the perfect tool to make this happen. It's called EduZen. You can create professional courses in minutes. You've got 2,000 plus done for you courses. You can build entire academies with just a few clicks. But here's what most people don't know. There's a simple system that turns those courses into a money-making machine that works while you sleep. And this Saturday, I'm showing you exactly how it works. Now, I was completely absent in this video. I did not show up on the camera. It's completely AI. AI video, AI voiceover. Now, question is, what is EduZen that I was talking about in that AI video? It's an AI-powered app that helps you instantly create, host, and sell video courses in any niche in minutes without any manual work. And there are tons of benefits, like you can create a full-blown academy in just a few clicks. There are 6 professional landing page options, create courses with multiple sections and quizzes, and instantly access over 2,000 pre-made video and ebook courses that are ready to sell. You can pause this video and read the whole story, or if you want to have a look at this website, I will put my affiliate link in the description. It takes only 3 steps. Step number 1, you create. Step number 2, you customize. And step 3, make profit. The question is profit. How do we actually make profit? But before that, a more important question. Why even consider an online course in the first place? I asked ChatGPT, give me a table of 100 product ideas that you can create, sell, and maintain from home using just a computer, mobile phone, and internet for about 2 hours daily, with low customer support requirements, plus some more information like what is the rating for beginner friendliness, what is the rating for potential to make $100 per day, what is the rating for maintenance support, etc. And guess what? Online course on specialized skills was in number 2, and the beginner friendliness is 3 out of 5. So definitely it is not beginner friendly. But the potential to make $100 per day is 5 out of 5. So it's a huge money opportunity. However, most of my viewers don't have time. They don't have time to learn, and they don't have time to make and sell courses. And that is why the beginner friendliness of this digital product is 3 out of 5. Now, I asked another important question to ChatGPT, but it seems ChatGPT is not working properly today. So we will go to Grok, because we have done the same research on Grok as well, and ask the same exact question. What is the one most important element or component that's required by all the above digital products and side hustles? And without that element or component, none of the above can be successful. Oh, by the way, in case you are curious, online courses are also mentioned on Grok. But they put it on number 4. $100 per day potential is 5 out of 5, but beginner friendliness is again 3 out of 5. So yes, let's find that one most important element or component. Success in all the above. And Grok just answered. And the answer is the most important element by all the listed digital products and side hustles, without which none can be successful, is effective digital marketing. All these rely on reaching and attracting an audience to generate sales. Without effective digital marketing, which includes SEO, social media promotion, email marketing, or paid advertisement, even the best products or services will remain undiscovered. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content, and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. Now, before we learn digital marketing, the easiest and the fastest possible way, get sales and make money, let's understand something. Every business needs traffic, but every visitor or every traffic are not buyers. And here is the stats. Supermarket or grocery stores, you can see from the image, only 20 to 30% are buyers. Rest are just visitors. Clothing or apparel stores, 15% to 25%. Electronics, 10 to 20%. Now we can go on and on, but in our case, the most important for us is the digital marketing numbers. It's 1% to 3%, which means out of every 100 people walking into a store, only about 20 to 30 actually buy something. That means 70% to 80% are just traffic. This is why understanding visitor value is crucial for any business, especially online, when conversion is even lower. This sounds really bad and really sad and hard to achieve. But this is the one reason why most of the people who try side hustle fail to make money and eventually quit. And then go out and say, "Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, I have been scammed." No, you haven't been scammed, nor it is true that it doesn't work. You just simply did not understand the fundamental. And one of the reasons is that if you were told the fundamental, you would panic and probably quit earlier. Anyways, let me show you some real stats from 4 of my Warrior Plus accounts. These are screenshots. These are all 100% verifiable. So don't worry about the verification. We can verify later on a live call. But for now, it's more important to understand why digital marketing, why affiliate marketing is the most reliable income stream. On the red column, you can see the traffic. These are the visitors. Some of them buy, some of them won't buy. Affiliates send this traffic to our offers, and some buyers made purchases and the affiliates made affiliate commissions. After the commissions were made, now we have solid information. What is the value of every single visitor on the average, whether they buy or they don't buy? We know that 1% to 3% to 30% will buy, remaining may not buy, but we want to know the value of every single visitor. And the green column is the value of every visitor. And here is the second account. We paid $3,142 in affiliate commission from this account. Again, our affiliates sent traffic to our offers. Guess what happened? Tiny 1% to 3% to maybe 10% visitors made purchases and our affiliates earned commissions. And once again, we got the average value of every single visitor. And here's the third account. We paid $166,000 commission from the traffic and from the sales. And here is the visitor value. And here's the biggest account on Warrior Plus, $2.6 million in affiliate commissions paid to affiliates. What did they do? They sent traffic to the offers and they made affiliate commissions. And here is the average traffic or visitor value. Now, look at this. This is the summary of all the 4 accounts. The first column shows the traffic, the visitors, and the right red column shows the commissions. But if you look at each visitor value from all 4 accounts, do you see similarities? It's not too low, not too high. The average value of all these traffic across all 4 accounts is very, very similar. It varies from 55 cents to 88 cents per visitor. This is the guarantee. This is the certainty. This is the reliability that this model works. We know exactly the value of a visitor. It's 55 cents to 88 cents. In some cases, it might be a little high. In some cases, a little low. But ultimately, end of the week, end of the month, end of quarter, end of the year, we will find the reputation of these kind of numbers. People who understand the fundamental of this business stay consistent in doing what they need to do, and they keep making money. Like Petra. Petra made $2,038 in affiliate commissions from 684 visitors. Now that's another crazy part. You might be asking, Mosh, I can see only 1% conversion here. And I know that only 1% to 3% to 10% to maximum 20% or 30% people will ever buy. How did Petra made $2,000 commission? You see, there are more to just converting some browsers into buyers. When you promote or when you sell a low price product, then from 216 visitors, you end up making $86. But when you promote a high ticket offer, a high price offer, like starting from $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 price points, then from 22 visitors, you make $2,021 in affiliate commission. Now, which one will you choose? Of course, everybody is saying you want to promote high ticket offer now. But guess what? High ticket offers are not sold every day, not as frequently as the low ticket offers. So mixing up both low ticket and high ticket will give you the best results. Now, if we implement this knowledge into EduZine, build our AI powered course, or just pick any of the built-in course and just start driving traffic to it, we will eventually make money, inshallah. However, all that I said so far, there are kind of steps involved. There are some lessons to learn, some time to spend in order to be able to learn something, do something, and actually finally make money. So at any point, if you think it's too technical and you need something easy, simple, and 99% done for you, then visit this URL, moshbari.com, or scan this QR code. You will be taken to this training video. Watch this training video from start to end. You will learn about our way of digital marketing using free traffic. And you will also learn about our 99% done for you program, where we do 99% of the work. And that's why making $250, $300, $500, $250, $300, $450, $500, $650, $947 commissions is super simple and super easy for busy beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners just like yourself. I can keep on scrolling and I can show you tons and tons of beginners who joined our program, took advantage of our 99% done for you system and made these kind of commissions. Most importantly, a lot of them made their investment back within 6 to 8 weeks. That doesn't guarantee that you will get same results in the same time. Your results can be a little slower and can be a little faster. Results are not typical, and this is not a guarantee that you will get the same results at the same time. But at the same time, you know that the system works, guaranteed. Now you might be thinking how to get traffic, how to get buyers, how to make sales and make money. We use social media. We use Instagram, we use TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And we publish video content. But we publish a special kind of video content. Let me show you one of them.
He's made over $30 million in his 20s.
Luke Belmer made $30 million in his 20s. And Luke says,
you wanted to make money. There's 3 avenues that you can make money.
You see what's going on here? At the bottom, I am watching the video and commenting on the video, or basically reacting on Luke Belmer's video. Then I pretty much repeat and explain what Luke Belmer is saying to make it consumable or to add my own twist or add my own value for my audience. And when we publish this video from the first upload, which was this upload, let's see results, click view insights, and this video reached additional 1.2 million people. And here is something interesting, you people will love it. This one video, one single upload added 24,898 followers. My total number of followers in this account is 193,000, and 24,000 out of these followers came from this one single upload. And every time I uploaded the same video, I got tens of thousands of views and thousands of new followers. So we can safely say most of my 200,000 followers came from a handful of special kind of videos uploaded over and over again. So we can safely say most of the 193,000 followers came from a handful of special kind of videos uploaded repeatedly. Now here is what gurus will tell you. Go and find some video that got a lot of views and follow, model that video, right? Don't do that. I will show you an example. This video right here got 40,000 views, and 40,000 views is not a bad number. If I click view insights, I should be saying some good number of followers added from this video. Now here is another video. This video got 8,000 views, 1/5 of the views of this video. Again, this video got 11,000 views, much less than 40,000. So the number of followers, if any, added through these videos should be less than this video. Am I right? Let's go and check. First, the video that got 8,000 views.
Flight, I always ask the stewardess what the owner of the jet does for a living. And let me tell you something, they never
We don't need to watch the video. We just need to see the insights. This video got us 50 followers. And this video got 11,000 views, added new 41 followers. Now let's check the video that got 40,000 views. This video added 4 followers. What we understand from this is big views does not equal big traffic. They may just be viewers from your existing followers. So what is important? In order to get a lot of buyer traffic, you should focus on rant. Rant starts from relevant reaction videos. So instead of making your own video from scratch, go react on other people's videos. But remember, you cannot expect results from mindless, garbage, useless reaction videos. Instead, from every video, you need to build your authority. People will take you seriously when they know about your authority. Now the problem is, if you are a beginner, you don't have authority. So by doing reaction video, we borrow authority of the original video creator, and by using AI and adding our own twist, by adding value to the audience, we build our own authority. Now the last part is trust. And without trust, nobody buys from you, especially online. The trust is built through new content every day, because when you consistently upload new content, people will slowly, gradually start trusting you. At this point, you might be saying, oh, Mosh, I don't want to show my face. I hate cameras, so it's not for me. No, my friend, it is for you. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see these videos. Day 1, I'm trying to earn money online with my AI avatar total beginner method. Then day 2 and day 3, I showed step by step how to make rant videos completely with AI, without you making the video, without you even speaking or recording or even showing face. We teach these whole things step by step in our 99% done for you program, and we do all the technical work for our members, and that is why our success rate is so high. The most important thing is that this training is completely free to watch. The first part of the training is pure education. The second part of the training is the details of our program. So you get both the details. So what is stopping you from watching this training? You can also find the link in my bio and in the description below. And of course, I always put the link in the comment as well. Was this helpful? If yes, we made this video for you, so you can get real information that you can follow through and get results. The only thing we want from you is a hit in the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and make sure you tell your friends and family to subscribe as well. This way, not only you help us continue and grow, but also you help us hit our goal of getting 10,000 YouTube subscribers in next 90 days. As usual, for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.